Hi guys, my name's Liana and I am back again with another Friday Kitchen Chemistry video for you guys. Today we are going to be making ice cream to keep you guys cool during the summer heat, so stay tuned. For this experiment you will need a couple of materials. You'll need sugar, salt, vanilla extract, milk, and in this bowl I have got ice, so you'll need that. I also have some measuring cups and a Ziploc bag. I have a gallon Ziploc bag, but a quart Ziploc bag will work just fine. So first for this experiment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of our salt to our ice bucket here. And the reason we're doing that is because the salt lowers the freezing point of our ice, and so the temperature of our environment will become much colder, and it'll be perfect for what we need to actually make our ice cream. So I'm just going to add that salt now. Make sure that it covers the ice pretty well. We want this to get pretty cold, so I'm going to take my lid, put it on our bowl, and shake it up. So I am going to now take our milk and I'm going to pour it in our measuring cup. This is a half cup measuring cup. Okay. So I got my half cup of milk. You can use a plant-based milk if that's what you use, or you can use half and half as well. Next, I'm going to measure out our sugar. I'm going to measure out a tablespoon of our sugar. Add that to our bag. And then I am going to add in a half of a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Or a half of a teaspoon, I'm sorry, half of a teaspoon. Right. And we're going to close that up, and we're going to try and get it nice and sealed tightly. So I'm going to push out as much air as I can so that way it comes out as best as possible. So now the biggest step is taking our ice cream mixture and throwing it into our bowl of ice. And then you are going to shake it like crazy for about 15 to 20 minutes or until your ice cream is as firm as you would like it to be. While you guys are stirring your ice cream, I want you to notice that I'm holding my bowl on the sides where none of the ice and salt are touching on the inside of the bowl. I'm holding like the handles, and if you're using a different kind of bowl or a different kind of container where you can't really hold on to the handles, use gloves. That way you can hold on to the bowl without burning your freezer burning your hands, because this does get really cold and we don't want any damage to your skin to happen because of how cold our environment becomes in here. So what is happening to create our ice cream? What's happening is when we add the salt to our ice, the ice begins to melt. So when the salt and that ice mix, the freezing point of the ice is lower. So if you were to add more salt, your temperature inside your environment would decrease. It would get lower. So by lowering our temperature here, we are able to freeze our cream and therefore make ice cream. So go ahead and shake it up just a little bit more and see our final result. So as you can see, I've got a solid. It doesn't just fall down like a liquid would, and it is only really moving around if I squeeze it. And I'd say that that is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a bowl and show you guys the final product in a bowl. Alright guys, and so here is our final product. Very yummy. So you guys can add whatever toppings you want. If you want sprinkles in your ice cream, you can add that. Anything that you want, any additional flavors, you're welcome to add those too. I chose vanilla because it's a good basic ice cream that everybody likes. So I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for next week's video. Hope to see you then. Bye guys.